Okay, good morning, you guys. I'm not gonna lie, I'm doing this intro a few days in. Right now, we are in the beautiful islands of Sicily, and Corey has brought some of our closest friends together on Yacht Week Sicily route just for a holiday. And a lot has gone on, and it's been busy. It's been a super good few days already. We're actually about to head to a volcano hike, so I'm gonna wrap this up really quickly. But essentially, yesterday was G's birthday. We went out, we got caught up, and went out the night before. And we have so much to go this coming few days. And my heart is just so full that I get to do this and look up and see these boats I've been working on the past few years with these friends, and be able to do this in such a wholesome manner. So yeah, I'm so excited. It's gonna be a lot of fun, and I don't know, my heart's super full. I'll probably make this video into more of a montage vibe, just because I want to spend the time with my friends and really be present. So yeah, this is gonna be super fun. I'm super stoked. Okay, alright, I gotta go. See you guys, bye.
It's always someone's never gonna let you down. I do let go. It's always someone's you to cry like the sound. I do let it go.
Ready, go.
Yay!
Get down on your knees and bark like you want it.
No broke boys, no new friends. 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 I'm not what you give me my test. Ain't no lie, ain't no shade. Fuck call me, then you know he paid. Look so good, makes no sense. Badass bitch with my badass friends. No broke boys, ain't no shade. Fuck call me, then you know he paid.
still going. That's the best one yet.
Got married. I eat your cake. Nice.